Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 7th September 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Misra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. Before starting the session, those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Let's proceed. This was our previous day question. Our first question was, who chaired the BRICS Cultural Minister meeting? Brazil, Russia, India, China. The correct answer here is option B, Russia. Recently, Russia chaired the 5th BRICS Cultural Minister meeting. Okay, and Prahlad Singh Patel from India represented in this meeting. Russia is in news. The capital of Russia is Moscow. Russian ruble is the currency here, and Vladimir Putin is the president of Russia. Okay. Our second question was, Raj Srivastava appointed as India's next ambassador to which country? Croatia, Brazil, Australia, Sri Lanka. The correct answer here is option A, Croatia. Recently, Raj Srivastava appointed as India's next ambassador to Croatia. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, which state has decided to set up ball drug park in the state? Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Bihar, option D, West Bengal. The correct answer here is option B, Odisha. Recently, Odisha government has decided to set up ball drug park in the state in a bid to create employment opportunity through industrialization in the non-mineral sector. To create employment in industrialization in the non-mineral sector. Okay. Odisha is in news. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister is Mr. Naveen Patnaik, and Professor Ganeshi Lal is the governor of Odisha. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which among the following is announced as first World War II heritage city? Wellington, Washington DC, Hiroshima, option D, Nagasaki. The correct answer here is Wellington. Option A is correct here. Recently, US President Donald Trump has announced Wellington as first World War II heritage city. Option A is correct here. Okay. Next question. Pang Labosal Festival is observed in which state? Assam, Meghalaya, Sikkim, option D, West Bengal. The correct answer here is Sikkim. Option C is correct here. Pong Lavasol festival is observed in Sikkim. It is observed on the 15th day of the 7th month of the Tibetan calendar. Remember that it is observed according to Tibetan calendar in the 15th day of 7th month of Tibetan calendar. Okay. Sikkim is in news. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. Gangtok is the capital here. Prem Singh Tawang is the chief minister, and Ganga Prasad is the governor of Sikkim. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Which state take off a watershed project of 600 crore in assistance with World Bank? Karnataka, Maharashtra, Bihar, option D, Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer here is Karnataka. Option A is correct here. Recently, Karnataka is said to implement a 600 crore project for 10 lakh hectare of 10 district. 10 lakh hectare of 10 district under watershed development with World Bank, in assistance with World Bank. Okay. Karnataka is in news. The capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. B.S. Yadurappa is the chief minister here, and Vajubhai Vala is the governor of Karnataka. In assistance with World Bank is in news also. So the headquarters of the World Bank is situated in Washington DC, and the chairman or the president of the World Bank is David Malpass. David Malpass is the president of World Bank. Okay. Next question. Vidya Kanika Yojana started in which state? West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand. The correct answer here is Andhra Pradesh. Option B is correct here. Recently, Vidya Kanika Yojana started in Andhra Pradesh, and it is launched for students, to help students or to provide a book, pencil, pen, the study materials. The Vidya Kanika Yojana is started in Andhra Pradesh. And recently, you know that Andhra Pradesh is the first state in India having three capital. What are those? Legislative capital is Amravati. Executive capital is Visakhapatnam, and judicial capital is Kurnool. Kurnool is the judicial capital of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Jagan Mohan Reddy is the chief minister here, and Vishwabhushan Harichandra is the governor of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Which country's football federation has decided to give same salary to both men and women football team? Brazil, Norway, Switzerland, option D Germany. The correct answer here is Brazil. Option A is correct here. Recently, the Brazil Football Federation decided to give same salary to both men and women football players. Okay, the capital of Brazil is Brasilia, and Brazilian real is the currency, and president is Jair Bolsonaro. Jair Bolsonaro is the president of Brazil. Okay, and this kind of the same salary to both men and women, previously it is decided by Australia, New Zealand and Norway Football Federation also. Okay, next question. Question number 7. Who is appointed as chairman of Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers? Sorry, it is automobile manufacturer. Kenichi Ayukawa, Richard Kelly, Rajiv Kumar. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Kenichi Ayukawa. Option A is correct here. Kenichi Ayukawa is appointed as chairman of Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturer, and he is also MD and CEO of Maruti Suzuki Company. You can see the image of Kenichi Ayukawa here, and recently he is appointed as the chairman of Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturer. Okay. Next question. Which bank has launched cardless cash withdrawal service? HDFC Bank, RBL Bank, SBI. Option D, ICICI Bank. The correct answer here is RBL Bank. Option B is correct here. Recently, RBL Bank has launched the cardless cash withdrawal service. Okay, the headquarters of the RBL Bank is situated in Mumbai, and MD and CEO of RBL Bank is Biswabir Ahuja. Biswabir Ahuja is the MD and CEO of RBL Bank. Okay. Which company is selected as official partner of IPL? Unacademy, Dream 11, Byju's. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Unacademy. Option A is correct here. Recently, Unacademy is an online educational platform. Everybody you know that Unacademy is a online educational platform, and recently Unacademy is the official partner of IPL for 3 years. It is for 3 years, 2020, 2021 and for 2022. And previously we discussed that Dream 11 won the title sponsorship of IPL, and Unacademy is the official partner of IPL recently. Okay. Who won the Formula 1 Italian Grand Prix 2020? Carlos Sainz, Pierre Gasly. Option D, Lance Stroll. Option D, Lewis Hamilton. The correct answer here is Pierre Gasly. Option B is correct here. Recently, Pierre Gasly has won the Formula 1 Italian Grand Prix 2020, and Carlos Sainz is got the second position, and Lance Stroll is in the third position. But Lewis Hamilton is in the 7th position in this race. And remember that Pierre Gasly won the F1 Italian Grand Prix 2020 here. You can see the image of Pierre Gasly also here. Okay. This is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss the answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, which government has rolled out iRakhwali app? Our second question is, which is the second largest road network of world? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. Okay. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Those who like the session, please share in your educational related group. Okay. And those who first visit educational wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Thank you. Have a great day.